Hello everyone, I have a special announcement to make today. I'm going to teach you all about our new product that is launching this month. This is our CBD Power Balm. So this is a part of our age management subline, and it is a step to treat product. This little guy looks just like this, and it does come in a little stick like this. Now this does contain 1 ounce of product, and a little bit goes a long way with this product. I have done multiple treatments on people with this product. I have used this product on my kids all the time. I use it on myself all the time. It's not even wound up all the way, and you can see how much product this does contain. Now, GlyMed, as you know, loves CBD. There are so many different healing benefits for our bodies and for our skin that CBD does give us. So we're going to go through each one of the ingredients that is in this little guy. We're going to talk about ways that you can use it in your treatment room or have your clients use it at home, and different ways that you can cocktail this product to give you amazing results. So the first ingredient in this CBD Power Balm is obviously the CBD. Now CBD is going to be one of the most potent antioxidants that you can use on your skin, and it's also going to deliver some of the most amazing anti-aging benefits as well. Okay, so the next ingredient that we're going to talk about is sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn is going to be rich in flavonoids, omega-7, and also rich in vitamins. This oil helps to slow down aging. It's going to help with cell regeneration, and it's also going to promote healing in the skin and slow down oxidization in the skin as well. Okay, so up next we have sunflower seed oil. So sunflower seed oil is going to help reestablish the skin's barrier by providing the skin with fatty amino acids that the skin needs in order to have a healthy barrier. Now up next we have grapeseed oil. Now grapeseed oil actually helps assist the skin and preventing destruction of collagen. Grapeseed oil is also a great delivery system to use alongside with your vitamin C products, which will bring us to a cocktail later on in the video. So this balm is going to help improve the appearance of your skin in a number of different ways. It's going to put a protective film on the skin, and it's also going to help fill in the lipid spaces. It's going to reduce inflammation in the skin. It's going to reduce irritation, increase hydration, and soothe the skin as well. And this will also help relieve itchiness in the skin. So one of my kids got stung by a couple of bugs when we were at a lake, and so applying the CBD Power Balm onto those bug bites definitely alleviated a lot of that itch and made my son more comfortable during that time. Okay, now when using this in the treatment room, I like to get one of the little wood scapulas and just scrape off a little bit of the product in the treatment room. Now, if this is one that you or your client are using at home, you can just rub it directly onto your skin. But we just need to make sure that in clinic that we are doing it in a sanitary way. Now, this is something that you are going to want to apply after your serums and moisturizers, and it's going to lock everything in, and then you'll apply your sunscreen directly on top of the Power Balm. This is going to be fantastic post-chemical peel, microblading, dermablading, and also microneedling as well. Now, when your clients are using this at home, it is going to lock in different ingredients, and it's going to act like a second skin. This is going to be fantastic for itchiness on the skin, bug bites, eczema, psoriasis, and also rashes and razor burn. So if you or you're someone that you know is very prone to razor burn, especially for men on their necks, you can have them just rub this product on, and it will help alleviate that discomfort that can come from that razor burn and also help heal that razor burn even quicker. Okay, so here are some different ways that you can cocktail this product. So if you have a sensitive client or a client that needs their barrier to be repaired, and so they need some assistance with that, this is going to be a great combination. And so combining the two of these together will give you even more of that barrier repair and speed up that recovery process on your client's skin. Now, since the grapeseed oil that is in the CBD Power Balm delivers vitamin C quicker and at a deeper depth, cocktailing this with the vitamin C serum or the vitamin C cream is going to be a fantastic brightening effect on the skin. Now, the way that I personally like to do it is I will just take it, apply that vitamin C serum to the skin. rub it in like normal. And then I just apply that CBD Power Balm right on top of that vitamin C serum. This is going to lock in that ascorbic acid, but then the grapeseed oil is also going to deliver that ascorbic acid deeper into the skin. Now, if you have a client that is dry, especially in these winter months that are going to be coming up, if your client is experiencing that extreme dryness, or if your client is going through Accutane treatments and they are having that extreme dryness on their face, the beauty oil is going to be a must-have for those clients. But you can apply the beauty oil and then lock it in with the CBD Power Balm. If you like to go out in the winter months but you tend to get chapped, using this combination will really seal in the skin, since this is going to boost the moisture content in the skin, and the CBD Power Balm is going to add a protective layer on the skin. So you're going to be working at the skin at all different angles. So this is going to be a fantastic cocktail for the winter months that are coming. Now, if your client is worried about having dullness in their skin, we recommend the CBD Age Delayed Dew, putting that on your client's skin, and then locking it in with the CBD Power Balm. This is going to help reduce that dullness in the skin and give your client a dewy glow, especially from the CBD Dew. These two together are just going to make your client glow. Now, another way that you can actually use your CBD Power Balm, if you don't like to wear a lot of makeup, but you want to, add a little bit of highlight to some of those areas on the cheekbone, you can actually take your CBD Power Balm, just dab it on those areas on the cheekbones, rub it in lightly, and that will give you kind of a natural highlight type appearance on your skin. Now, if your client is prone to acne, you can have them use the Comfort Cream as their moisturizer and then lock in that Comfort Cream using the CBD Power Balm. This will not make your clients break out, even though it is more of that balm consistency. Now, another way that I personally like to use it on my body, I get extremely dry hands from washing my hands so much right now. So I will take my CBD Power Balm and I will put a pretty generous amount on the areas of my hands that tend to get more dry. I am always right here in my fingers, in that area, on my knuckles. Apply the CBD Power Balm first, get that really worked into your skin. And since it does absorb in so easily into the skin, you're not going to be left feeling like this total grease ball. You're still, once you get everything rubbed in, you're going to feel like you can go about touching everything that you would normally touch without leaving greasy fingerprints. So then I'm going to apply my hand and body lotion. This is a must. In my house, this is a must. I use that stuff constantly. And then just rub it in, and that's really going to work that CBD balm into the skin even more. That CBD Power Balm is going to give your skin that protective layer, and that hand and body lotion is going to add in that moisture content as well from that mango butter and cocoa butter as well. But I'm really excited for you guys to all get your hands on this new CBD product. If you have some fun cocktail ideas that you have thought of, let us know. Feel free to share with us. And I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Bye.